Hello loves, this is Live Right Now. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this DIY flower box slash trifle bowl flower box. Now I already had this in my home. I was clear and I spray painted it pink a couple of years ago, and I was using it to store my makeup brushes, but now I've decided to use it for another purpose, which is as a decor item in my kitchen. If you want to see how I came about this look, you know what you got to do. Keep watching. Like I said before, when I purchased this from the thrift store, it was clear. I think I may have paid $1 for it. I spray painted it with this pink spray paint just on the outside. I didn't show that because, like I stated before, it's been painted this color for a while now. Now I am taking this bling wrap and just hot gluing it around, ensuring that it is even all the way around. Once I get to the end, I want to make sure that it's trimmed, and I'm going to hot glue this in. And to make sure that it's secure, I'm going to use these scissors because this glue can get really hot. I printed the label that I'm going to use from a Google search online, and I'm just going to attach this with the hot glue, securing it in the center of the photo at first and then the ends to make sure that it is even. Of course, you can leave it just like that, but you know your girl had to add a little bit of bling. So I'm using some E6000 to attach these pink rhinestone stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Anyone that used these stickers know that they do not adhere at all. And I didn't want to use hot glue because it gives you that cloudy effect. So I used the E6000 and I decided to place them diagonally. When I tell you these things do not stick, if you do not use this E6000, I'm telling you, you'll wake up the next morning and all these little pieces will be in the floor. So please take my advice and go ahead and add some type of glue to make sure that they stay stuck. And I am just filling in all the gaps, and they do have this little plastic backing which make it really easy to size them different sizes. You can just pull it and just place the next piece, or put the little single ones to the side to fill in any spots you may need to fill in later, and they are really easy to use. I'm just putting this upside down. It just made it a little easier. So I just did it this way, and then when I got to the top, I just turned it the other way around just to make sure that I got all the areas covered. Okay, now that I got the top pretty much done, I'm going to go ahead and add the roses. And I use this round foam ring from the Dollar Tree, and I also use a rectangular foam piece also from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm just going to push this in, and I'm going to take the rectangular foam and put it in the middle, and I'm going to have to cut it to size and also glue it together so it can have the thickness to go all the way through. And I just used my scissors to make a mark and made it fit to size. And just in case you were wondering, the reason why I wanted to make sure that the center went all the way down to the bottom is because I wanted the middle of this arrangement to stand straight up. So to ensure that, I wanted to make sure I have foam all the way down around the sides. Put the flowers kind of to an angle when you put them in there, so it's okay that you don't have foam all the way down. And these beautiful artificial silk flowers I purchased from the thrift store. It came in a bunch and they were only $3. How great is that? As I'm placing these flowers in this foam, whatever I do on one side, I'm doing on the other side. And I just filled it in the center and wherever I saw a gap. And once I put all the flowers in to my liking, I made sure that I fluffed them up. I went back and added any pink rhinestones that I felt that I need to fill in any gaps as far as that. And instead of the bling wrap, since I already have the shiny rhinestones, I put a black ribbon around this time and use the same label. And here are the finished results depending on which style you like better, the more girly conservative or the blinged out, glammed out, go all the way forward look. Of course, you can let me know down below which style you like better. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.